It's time for Ethereum. What's going on in the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for crypto news, crypto to the max. And maybe we're going to see Ethereum in $4,000 for May. That's today's idea. We have here this article. And the thing is that this very important bank, Standard Chartered, that in its time talked about Bitcoin ETF in United States in spot. Well, now they are telling us that they believe by May we might have an spot ETF in United States for Ethereum, and that's why the smart money is going to front run this situation and put all this money into Ethereum, maybe just making the price go to $4,000, which would be a 70% increase since the levels we are right now. The idea is that maybe market is underestimating the possibilities for the SEC of approving this spot ETF. The idea is that we have futures of Ethereum on the CME, those are regulated, and the SEC is not saying that Ethereum is one of the 67 cryptocurrencies that are for sure securities. So remember that Gary Gensler will not say that Ethereum is not a security, but also he's not saying that it is. So we'll see about that. We have the Ripple case, etc. All of this is very complicated, but maybe we have this good piece of information for Ethereum in the future. And you need to consider that Bitcoin augmented 85% since $25,000. We were there at June, mid-June, and then BlackRock asked for that ETF, and then we went to $47,000 on the January 10th that we had that approval. 85% up, so maybe 70% up for Ethereum is not enough. More than $4,000, maybe so. Also, consider good things for Ethereum if this is the case. The idea that Ethereum has less sell pressure with Grayscale because they don't have so many Ethereum as they have on Bitcoin and they're selling it. And also the same for FTX and the bankruptcy project. They don't have all that much of Ethereum. So very interesting today. Ethereum is the main character of crypto news. We'll see if this dream of going back to $4,000 is in the cards. I believe so. I'm not sure if this is going to happen in May or after the next halving. Who knows? But yeah, I'm optimistic on Ethereum. Remember, I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. But in any case, we need Ethereum to go higher. And we are finding resistance in the moving averages of 25 and 50. That's not a good thing. The market is going down. You can see Ethereum in the red and the bubbles in the red. Yesterday, we had a good day with those cryptocurrencies that are not Bitcoin. We're still greedy, but things are turning down today. Why? Because Bitcoin found resistance exactly in the point we told you, this line. Sometimes I'm considering doing some trading because I nailed it a lot of times now. We'll see about that. And now we are going down. So if we don't find support in this moving average, we'll see if we go lower. Matthew Highland was asking for a 44 weekly close, and I think we are not going to have that. So maybe it's not time for the bulls yet. And also very interesting today, 31st January, we are going to close the monthly candle, and we'll see if we finally we have a red or a green one. This candle very similar to this other one here. So maybe that's a good sign for February. We will tell you about that in a little bit. But by now, this advice for your trading as this guy, maybe you need some magic around your trades. Be careful out there, because when you try to predict the crypto market, well, it's going to act differently anytime you go there. So you think you know how to escape reality, and you will die one and another and another and another one, just dying all the time. So be careful out there. And remember, this is a manipulated market. And now, Crypto Robert reminding us that we have a lot of long positions that will be liquidated by 39,500. We believe we'll go there. Remember, we still have the CME gaps there. Even though Max believes that, yeah, that's true, that's a possibility, we might go to $32,000. But even though we go there, that's optimism for Bitcoin because we will not go lower than that, in its opinion. Remember previous videos, we told you about how to go to $39,000, $40,000 because of the hammer candlestick. You have to watch all crypto news videos, of course, and you'll see about that and the possible paths. Also, we consider about the Fed decisions today. Jerome Powell, not yet, as we record this video, we have no decision yet, but the market believes at 97.9% that nothing's going to happen. So we'll talk about that in tomorrow's video. Also, we told you about this 8 degrees line. Do not miss that video because it seems we might do something that we predicted in that video. And as the month comes to an end, we have to talk about green or red for this month and the month to come, February. We are in the 5th green candle. If we close the day in the green, we'll see about that. And going back to our trading view chart, link in the description below, you can see that we are still, I'm going to tell you more about this tomorrow, but we are still in a very similar situation with the one we had in 2017, maybe here or with these 4 candles. So yes, again, we'll talk about that more tomorrow, but I believe we are in this cycle, in this bull run. Maybe we'll have some green candles and then red candles, but those red candles will be good, interesting points for buying more Bitcoin, in my opinion, not financial advice. I don't want to put a green line in January yet because it might be red, but remember, 6 green Januaries, 6 red Januaries in Bitcoin history, but on February, we are mostly in the green. 9 times in the green, 3 times in the red. So you can see here, even here, you see just 2 of them because you don't have 2012. And the idea is that January was mostly red month. We are going to close in the green, hopefully so. And February is a green month. So we'll see about that. Remember that not even Satoshi Nakamoto knows what's going to happen, but we are following 2015 path. We had a bad January. We are not having it right now. And we had a very, very good February. So we'll see about that. Just 2020 and 2014 bad months. I don't think we are in that situation, but who knows? Here, Max telling us that Bitcoin is now for 3 months in a very, very good trend. So you can see it's 10 green candles and just 3 red candles since we started 2023. So yeah, maybe we have those pullbacks, red months, but those are for buying, in its opinion. And you can see here from Stock Money Lizards that we are having behavior in Bitcoin right now that we had in 2017. What does that mean? That we might find those support lines, and we had some pullbacks, but to those lines. So here you have 2017, and you can see the drops to the previous lines. And maybe this is a hinge so that we can now nail, as we are doing in this situation, where is going to go Bitcoin to the previous low, so $38,500 again, and maybe keep on going up. We'll see about this crazy theory, but yeah, maybe a good hinge for knowing where Bitcoin's price is going to be in the future. Any case, consider that BlackRock keeps on accumulating Bitcoin more and more. Now 52,000. Maybe you consider buying just one Bitcoin. Well, they bought in the last 3 weeks 52,026 Bitcoin. Also, consider from Whale Panda here that outflows from Grayscale are less and less, and BlackRock is buying all that Bitcoin. Also, More good news for 2024. X now with a money transmitter license for payment services in Nevada, Utah, Nevada. Elon Musk and its companies are doing okay. Now we have the first human that received an implant from Neuralink. It's recovering well. Also, we have 10 complete rocket launches and landings in a single month this January 2024 for SpaceX. So, congratulations. And he is working with Optimus, the robot we might have with us soon enough. So, good news for Tesla and Elon Musk. Maybe Elon is going to allow this X app for having crypto payments. We'll see about that. Also, here you can see from Crypto Robert that we have more USDT Tether in the market, and that's a good sign usually. So we'll see about that. And now Visa is enabling crypto withdrawals on debit cards in 145 countries. This comes with MetaMask, so you won't need any intermediaries out there. Very interesting. And we'll see if it works in Spain, and I will tell you about in the next videos. But remember that we are in love with Bybit crypto card. We are using it. We'll tell you next month how we are making money with it. But remember, we have 2 dedicated videos. Watch them. And if you want to use it, use our link below, because you have a lot of advantages. And one of them is that you can make up to 25 euros if you use the link in the description below. Thank you very much. Consider this is adoption, and maybe people just need Bitcoin in $100,000 in order to buy it. They wouldn't like it at $28,000. If you can't visualize the exponential growth of Bitcoin through a chart, maybe you need the iPhone price. You see that in 2011, you need 162 Bitcoin for just one iPhone 4S. And today, you need 0.031 Bitcoin 2023 for an iPhone 15. Very interesting. Keep on learning with AI. Maybe our second channel. This is about artificial intelligence. And we have a new video. I told you yesterday we were going to release it. Also, you have some homework to do. Thank you to Rostuk and Javi Del Olmo because they retweeted us. Thank you very much. You have the whole video here. This is the hammer, the green hammer one you have there that we were with dextools.io in a hackathon, and we had a blast. Do not miss that out. And also thank you to Frederick from DexTools because he retweeted and commented about our tweet account, Crypto News X account, and how we want you to watch the last Jesús Lorente video because it's a blast. It's about things that you need to understand in crypto world, about marriage, about what happens if you die with your crypto, and what happens also if you divorce. So very, very interesting about inheritance, about marriage and divorce. What should I do? If you want to know, well, just watch that video in CL Crypto and you will know all about that. And also you'll have some fun because CL Crypto, as Bitcoin Crypto News FunOntheRide YouTube channel, we like to learn through humor. So very, very interesting. We told you that on our X account, watch Crypto News, and also we told you on our English channel, because we create these videos also in English for you too, Spanish, English, anything you need in all our channels. And as you get to the end of the video, one announcement: be careful out there, but it seems that we are going to have an airdrop with Shimmer. It's not an easy one. We have to do stuff, and I just got to know about this. Remember, I never rush into things like this. So I'm gonna learn about this, and I will tell you all about it in the next crypto news here in Fun on the Ride. So yeah, we want to make money, but be careful out there. Also, you need to stack kind of $1,000, bridge it to the network. So it's not an easy one, but again, I will tell you everything about it in tomorrow's video. And now it's yoga time. We have here this heck dog that wants to chill, wants to relax after all this information. and this one keeps on trading, but it's not interesting. It's not smart to trade all day long. Again, also, don't be watching crypto news videos all day long. Just find some rest here and there, and do not fight with yourself like this cat is doing. Don't you see that is a helpless fight? You are not going to win this one because you are fighting yourself. What about these two? Ethereum is better. Bitcoin is better. I hate you more. Do not fight. We have room for everybody here. In crypto news, go to our website, FunOntheRide.com, or go to our AI channel, AI News, or go to Fun on the Ride and keep on learning with one of these two videos. Fun on the Ride, crypto news, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!